Hello, dear students. In the previous class, you have studied about the haloarenes, right? So, in that haloarenes, nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes, and why the haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions you have studied, and the electrophilic substitution reaction for chlorobenzene, including chlorination, nitration, sulfonation, and Friedel-Crafts reactions like acylation and alkylation, right? This is about haloarenes, nucleophilic substitution reactions, and electrophilic substitution reactions. So today's the last class of haloalkanes and haloarenes are reaction with metals. Reactions with metals. So how the haloarenes reacts with metals? You know that how the haloalkanes or alkyl halides reacts with metals. Then today's class, how the haloarenes reacts with metals. Certain named reactions are there. These are Woods fatigue reaction. Woods fatigue reaction. Woods fatigue reaction. You are familiar with Woods reaction in haloalkanes, right? Only Woods reaction. Here, Woods fatigue reaction. Okay. What is a Woods reaction in haloalkanes? Reaction with the metals when an alkyl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether gives rise to an alkane with double the number of carbon atoms in an alkyl halides. With double the number of carbon atoms in an alkyl halide. Right? This is about Woods reaction. This is not the Woods fatigue reaction. Okay, this is a Woods reaction. Just I am recalling what's the difference between Woods fatigue reaction and only Woods reaction. This is a Woods reaction. This is a haloalkane or alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacts with a sodium metal in presence of dry ether, gives alkane with a double the number of carbon atom present in the alkyl halide. Okay, can I take the example of methyl chloride CH3Cl plus 2 moles of sodium in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, I will get, see here only one carbon I am having in a reactant, but here I am getting 2 carbons. Double the number of carbon atoms in an alkyl halide with a removal of 2 NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, this is about Woods reaction. Today we are going to study about Woods fatigue reaction. Here I am talking with the haloarenes or aryl halides. So what I have to do is, what's the reaction is, when an alkyl halide, I am writing first a general reaction, okay? When an alkyl halide, haloalkane, reacts with aryl halide or haloarene, generally I am taking here X. Okay. Alkyl halide, aryl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether gives rise to an alkyl arene. Gives rise to an alkyl arene. This is R plus removal of sodium salts, NaX. Okay. Two moles, right? I have to take here 2 moles. X2. Can I write like this now? Yes, 2 moles of NaX. When an alkyl halide and aryl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, I will get alkyl arene. Alkyl. This is our group is alkyl arene. Alkyl arene. Alkyl arene. So This is a general reaction, okay? You can write the statement here, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. What is the statement? When an alkyl halide and aryl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, we will get alkyl arene with a removal of sodium salt. This is about Wurtz-Fittig reaction statement and a general reaction. What you have to do is, you have to take, you have to take in place of all CH3 and C2H5 groups. CH3. I am taking here in place of HCl, methyl chloride and chlorobenzene react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. I will get in place of our CH3 group. In place of X, I will get here Cl. See here, this is a alkyl arene. What is the name? Toluene. T-O-U-L-E-N-E. Toluene. Okay. This is a alkyl arene. Toluene. The common name is alkyl arene. This is methyl benzene. This is about, in place of or you can take C2H5 Cl plus 2 moles of Ne with the chlorobenzene as a aryl halide. Again I am taking chlorobenzene. In presence of dry ether, we will get C2H5 here. This is ethyl benzene with the removal of sodium salt, sodium chloride. This is about your Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Now you know the difference, right? Wurtz reaction is nothing but when an alkyl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether gives alkane with a double the number of carbon atom present in an alkyl halide. In a Wurtz-Fittig reaction, you have to take both haloalkane and haloarene in presence of sodium metal and also in presence of dry ether gives alkyl arene. This is about your Wurtz-Fittig reaction. The next one is Fittig reaction, only a Fittig reaction. See, in the three of these, you will get definitely one question. Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. Okay. Fittig reaction. F-I-T-T. Fittig or Fittig's reaction. Only Fittig reaction. This is Fittig reaction. Statement example, formation of biphenyls. Okay, fine. Fittig reaction. CR. Fittig reaction is aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, we will get biphenyls or diphenyls. We will get biphenyls or diphenyls. This is diphenyl because we can see phenyl rings too, right? Diphenyls or biphenyls or biphenyls. With a removal of 2 moles of NaX. Here you have to take 2 moles of aryl halide and 2 moles of sodium metal in presence of dry ether. You will get diphenyls or biphenyls with a removal of sodium salt. This reaction is also called as preparation of diphenyls. Okay, preparation of diphenyls or biphenyls. This is about Fittig reaction. Keep it in mind that the Wurtz reaction comes under haloalkanes. Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction comes under haloarenes. Taking an example in place of X, Cl, you will get same, but in place of X you have to write this one. Okay, always you will get diphenyl or biphenyl. This is a Fittig reaction. Okay, very easy. Fittig Wurtz means sodium ether. Keep it in a mind that 2 moles. Always you have to take 2 moles. This is about your haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. Actually, in your syllabus, some more another one topic is there: uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, iodoforms, and frions and DDT. Okay. You know, children's syllabus was reduced, right? I will send both the boys and girls group. What's the topics deleted from the portions? Okay. This topic from the haloalkanes and haloarenes was removed. Whatever I told, uses and environmental effects. Okay, I will send in both the groups. Don't worry. See, I will send some important questions from this lesson in our group. You should take on blue book. Okay, chemistry assignment 1, and you have to write for answer each and every question. Okay, and you have to practice the only important questions I am giving. Okay, everyone should write, and when we met in offline class, you have to submit for me. Everyone should write. That's why I'm keep on telling you have to watch each video without missing. You have to watch each video, and you have to practice each and every reaction in a chemistry. If you know the general reaction, you can write the number of reactions. First, you have to work out the general reactions. Okay, I will send in both the groups. You should write, and also I will send all the subjects. WhatsApp portions was reduced, in all the subjects like PCMB, PMCS. Okay. Including Kannada, Urdu, whatever. I will send in both the groups. You can watch. You should practice, okay? Very easy. And I told what are important questions from this lessons are hybridization of carbon, allylic, benzylic, vinylic and aryl halides. So Schwarz reaction, some named reactions are there, Finkelstein's reaction, Schwarz reaction, and SN1 and SN2 mechanisms. Stereochemical aspects of nucleophilic substitutions in haloalkanes are there, So you will get definitely 2 to 3 marks on that. So Grignard reagents, organometallic compounds, dehydrohalogenation, Zaitsev rule, like electrophilic substitution reactions are important. Chlorination, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Fittig's reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Wurtz reaction are very very important. I will send the questions in a group. You should write in a blue book. Okay. Chemistry assignment 1. Like that you have to write. Later, tomorrow's class I will take alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay. You have to practice. Hope you will practice the reactions. Okay. Everyone should watch the videos without missing. All the subjects you have to watch. For you only we are doing classes, right? So you should watch each and every video. Thank you, students.